migrate and grind home till I go and be free. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I be a slave, I go be buried in my grave. And why to my God and be free. They'll be singing, they'll be singing, they'll be singing over me. And before I be a slave, I will be buried in my grave and one home to my God and be free. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before we be your slaves, we will be buried with grace. And why do we go and be free? We look at it on this shoulder, and it's sea. But this shoulder, brother Geechee, you answer, like a young 150 years. And a show for this shoulder. But come, we will never let him down. We ain't ever know what part. We ain't ever think, this shoulder. Who they come from? Say that I turn the voice. Even a stomach, we, Lewis, Sunday, freedom. Even after they're going on Lord, it's right, Jesus. But we don't have, we don't have remedy. We don't have anybody. We got that remedy. What they do, okay? Lord, we ain't taking but sin, the God did, the war. We ain't taking but a demons. That's a big old difference. So this shall be, we the kind again. We are joining one son, the next son, the son. Love you, brother. That's all of you. For the day. God knows. We will believe. We will. They shall live in the God. And we will live together. What we done said. Say, yeah. I can make them so. Say, that children there. I know how to move a California. Oh, I want things like that. And then they're calling y'all. But then, and then they gonna bring back home. Move it home. See, come on. That better was who I do was. And if I touch somebody, see, yeah, I believe there's something with it. But it's running back. And it's not that much. And the joy children who that thing come from, we ain't gonna overcome Egypt. And they're gonna come together. But then the do what is going on. we born in the wilderness. When it was born out in God, pray, it's your back across the wilderness. But then, some of them, get in. And really this man is kind of like this. And this piece over here, so northway, like that, really. So now imagine, you ain't had no compass. You ain't even had nothing to after this, when dust start coming, 105 that we're finish up with this way. Imagine, you had to just go back going up to the center. When we were there, we wanted to go. But now, you ain't never see this young land full. The people that scatter you all around you. You think you're a man. Yeah, they're not gone. But imagine in your town. Some of y'all can't find you, we ain't got GPS. So imagine somebody would say, I'm a freedom. Yeah, that way. They say, who the carry you that way? Well, they said the time of the new moon, there no moon there. Where you put it? You can stay young. No, and we ancestors. So, we don't get like this. But join back to God. Or connect back to the Spirit. Or connect back to the heat and cleansing. Or have the way glad. I said, all of them, and I'm not going to wish it in. I'm calling. We don't forget all of these just small but crazy. That's how I get. We don't forget what we did. We thank you. We stand on what we did for Solomon Island. We thank you for all of what we stand back, what we bombarded. We thank you for all of what we withstand for Eddystone. We thank you for all of what we withstand for Johnson. We thank you for all of what you withstand for Jamestown. We thank you for all of what we withstand for the auction block. We thank you for all of them for this your course. For all together in London. For we were very no who walked. We give thanks. He said, God bless this. That's all of it. That's the church. But I call you. Let me have pleasure. Because when I say, where there ain't no vision there, the people going to perish. So we don't pray right now for vision. We don't pray right now for wisdom. We don't pray right now for standing. Because under the tell me, for all of what we do, forget for standing. Lord say, we like wisdom. You have to do nothing. Under the house standing. Understand the greatest thing in this. So it's so glad it should be. They're going to ran down. Not standing. But we're going to be. This should be. So he gave you thanks. But this should gonna be jubilee. And that this should be a freedom done come. We thank you. As we say, I say,